We will also talk that ki what should be your strategy this year so that ki you can do better. The in theory section, if you take that, the we can classify, let's say that ki nature of questions. If you see nature of questions, we can classify into three different categories. One is called normative, another is called philosophical, and let's say statements or philosophers you can consider. And third, we say as applied ethics. In fact, hardly there can be any question which can be pure theoretical. Even a pure theoretical question is also applied question. But there can be pure applied question also. Let's say कि they can ask about applied situation. Let's say कि when they ask mission karm yogi, when they ask BNS, so we tell them applied question. So if you take, let's say, कि normative ethics, so normative ethics we mean to say that कि all those theory section if you talk, right, the chapter, let's say कि that one ethics and human interface that we have. Ethics and human interface. So that is how normative ethics we can consider. Plus, there can be other, let's say, philosophical parts you can consider. When we say philosophical statements, so there are three quote-based questions they ask. Plus, let's say that philosophers they can ask, philosophers, leaders, this they can ask like say Nehru, Jyotiba Phule. That way they can ask, let's say, and it is a regular thing that they three ask. Apart from that, leaders they can ask Buddha, let's say Buddha you can consider, Guru Nanak you can say. So that way they can ask, and then let's say that applied ethics largely will talk all those topics related to attitude, this attitude, emotional intelligence, civil services, and probity in governance. These things we can consider, let's say, applied. Now there can be, let's say, nature of questions. If you see this,